Get ready. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, the Devar Commission has to be congratulated for the elaborate report it had written and its approach to the subject of tribal welfare. It is necessary for me to direct the attention of the ministry to the fact that there is a great difference between questions affecting the scheduled castes and the tribes. The case of scheduled tribes is a peculiar one. They have peculiar modes of living. They have peculiar ways and means of carrying on their trade. They have their many dialects. They are practically separate from the scheduled castes and from the general public. So their problem is not an easy one. It is one of the most difficult problems. Allotting money, laying out schemes is necessary, of course, but the implementation of the schemes is more necessary. They live in hilly areas. They live far, and I am afraid, with the little experience that I have, I can say that very few people take the trouble of going to places which are not easily accessible, and therefore the advantage and comfort that they should derive from those employed to look after them is not what it should be. My submission is that this problem really does require particularly attention, and the first thing on which I wholeheartedly concur with the Commission's report is that there should be separate commissioner for scheduled tribes. As I have said before, the problems of the scheduled castes and those of the tribes are different. The scheduled castes are backward. They have been suffering from a number of disadvantages, but they are very much similar to the backward people of our own country. But these scheduled tribes are very much different. They have their own customs, ways and manners, and they have their own laws. The greatest difficulty is the dialect. In an area of about 100 kilometers, 10 different dialects are spoken, and one cannot carry on conversation with the other. So a separate commissioner is absolutely essential. Again, a separate department for tribal welfare is also necessary in all the states where a large number of the scheduled tribe people stay. In addition, there should be periodical checking of the work done. What happens is money is not spent, it is left over, and the places are not visited. Periodical checking of these things is necessary because the implementation of schemes is very essential.